Safe driving is no accident, and the AAcurate Driving School in Mesquite is here to help you get road ready. Since 2008, we have taught generations of students. Our owner is hands-on with the entire process for all students, ensuring that everyone properly understands the rules of the road and everything that comes with the privilege of driving. Our driving school in Mesquite accepts students throughout the great state of Texas. Adults have a 6-hour driving class, which is then followed by a written test, and then the final driving test. Adult students are able to do in-car driving as long as they have their permit. Teens are required to take a written test along with in-car driving lessons. Driving is a rite of passage in America, and being trained to drive safely is essential to daily life. Earn your license from the AAcurate Driving School in Mesquite. Give them a call at 972-613-0288 or visit AAcuratedrivingschoolmesquite.biz today.